just reaching out to all my clients, let them know that I started my own business. The name of my company is American H2O. You can find me on Google and on Facebook under American H2O. My website is www.americanh2o.net. If I have helped you out in the past, it would be a tremendous help to me if you would go on, especially on Facebook, and leave me a positive review, or on Google. I would really, really appreciate it. Again, the website is www.americanh2o.net. You can search me on Google. I'm located in Pinckney. And if I helped you out, then please refer me. You can call me or text me if you have any issues with your system, or if you need just maintenance. I do salt delivery and filter changes. My phone number is 810-923-5923. Again, my company is American H2O.